if the ma'am said that holding company gives guarantee, then it can't be off balance sheet. Off balance sheet matlab kya? I made an investment, maximum loss that I will happen is 30. Beyond that, no.
So it may be that the loss is there of all the investment has gone into loss. Then he will lose all the money, then the bank or the PV will take it over.
Absolutely, absolutely. See, if bank is funding your holding company, then he can seize your other assets also. Either to he is funding your SPV structure. Yes, Mr. Krishna.
What are the preliminary expenses writing off?
Please.
Is it correct to say that if you show your write-off in 3 years and quickly reduce the profit?
Yes.
Consistently.
Correct.
What are the benefits of that as compared to, showing it over 8 years, but a little bit erratically?
Since it has come from you, the benefit of that is you will be, no income tax benefit, no accounting thing, but obviously you will be looked well upon by a stakeholder like a bank.
Which case?
Right? In which case, when you are doing it equally over a period less than 8 years. He's done it fast and he's doing pretty well. Benefit will transmit in the form of intangible benefits, comfort level increases, negotiation power increases. Anyway, where there's financial shenanigans, sir. It's a very small world. Now, today I am in SBI Caps, tomorrow I am in ICICI Securities. We carry the image of the promoter along with us.
8 years is under the accounting policy?
Accounting. Absolutely accounting.
And the merger
One sec, please. Yeah.
the merger option,
Huh.
where we decide to type over the losses.
From the date of merger. Huh.
But are there any chances that under the scheme, the court may say that the losses can lapse
Very nice question.
or the act over it?
Very nice question. Courts do not interfere in carry forward of losses. Courts only interfere in, you seem to be wanting something specific, when there is stamp duty evasion. तो उसमें ruling आएगा. इसमें सब, right? Very, इसमें सब बहुत clear है sir. ये तो accepted चाहिए. But if the government proves that there is stamp duty, sorry, it's more of a personal discussion. Slum sale है, stamp duty evasion है, then वो आके मारेगा. Please. Very nice question. You're asking me for a distinguished. Please understand, it's much more easier, much more faster. Legal expenses are lower. And invariably, please note, an SPV is for a, no, not me, right? So, an SPV is for a specific purpose. So, short-term purpose, right? What happens, Mayur? Mr. Mayur is, after your purpose is served, you can simply collapse the SPV and it merges with your company. But if it is a subsidiary, then sir has to answer why he is liquidating that company. आप समझे मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? ये प्रोजेक्ट है, मैंने कर दिया है, हो गया. Now it is collapsed. Liquidation of a company is something even more. And sir, SPV formation in our country is much more faster today in terms of time also. You can. Right? Yeah, it's a simple structured finance where you're forming an entity. You can always have a holding company. It can have a registered office, right? And yeah, no. So an SPV is, it's not a partnership senior. An SPV is a simple structure for which it doesn't fall under Companies Act. It is a simple entity formed for a specific purpose.
Entity means a company?
I don't know. It is, Mr. Pranav's question, now I understand. It's not a company. It is a separate form.
Form under Act or?
Formed under the Act, where you are saying it's an entity. It will not have any shareholding, no preference share, nothing. It's a simple SPV structure. If you want to know the relevant sections, right, it is saying Companies Act में defined है, but it is not a company per se. So it will not have, please get this right, it will not have authorized capital and all that. All that will come into play here. It's an entity which is formed for this particular project. Once a project is executed, the SPV structure collapses and it comes in. How does it collapse again? Now you're getting very technical, but no problem. Absolutely, I'd like to answer it. No problem, sir, right? Collapse is nothing but if you're saying Tata Chorus, right? Tatas have floated this SPV for Chorus's takeover. After Chorus's has been taken over, loans have been repaid. Then finally, loans of the banks have been repaid. Then finally, this entity has no problem.
So in future, if something goes wrong, can banks sue the entity?
That's a very nice question, which can I humbly request I would like to answer, which is a very nice question. I would like to answer when I explain pay through and pass through. But why are we delaying it, right? Now that there's a question on that, can I answer this? But anybody has any, okay, I'll answer this moment I take that break and somebody asks me a question on SPV, क्या है off balance sheet, but that answer to your question lies in that pay through pass through. I'll answer this. Right. But please note, you can always have a listed company, mat boliye. You can have a listed SPV. Like Hiranandani has gone and listed this project, Hirco, SPV, in an alternate investment market. Why? We all responded immediately saying, no, it's apne listed company bola. You can list it SPV. Absolutely. Then, what my colleague said, then your equity analysis will be not company analysis, will be project analysis. ये चेन्नई का project से क्या cash flow आ रहा है, right? One question remains, a pay through pass through, which I need 10 minutes, okay, once your fundamentals are in place. I know I'm really taken it to a very, very high level. Pardon me for that. I'll end the lunch break. Please come and clarify any basics. Please. Yes, ma'am. I'll answer this. I have not answered this, Bharti. That's what I was saying. I have not answered this. How it is done, that answer lies when I explain what is pay through and pass through. I'll explain that.
From the background, we only know that SPV is more sort of a LLP or an entity or a company. The entity is something other than.
It is other than that. So, bata do. I'll tell you. I can see that eagerness. Now I'm feeling very bad. Just give me 2 minutes, sir. Just 3-4 colleagues. I want to see if they have understood SPV, sir.
SPV profits are included as other income in my main balance.
No. No. That I want to answer straight away. No. No. Because it's a separate entity by itself. It can't. After it collapses and merges, then you can. At this stage, no. At this stage, no.
So when P&L and balance sheet of a consolidated company is prepared,
Yes.
then these SPV
Will be reflected in your consolidated statement. Absolutely. Not in your standalone. Nice question.
Not the shareholder of it.
It will not reflect in your standalone. Consolidated can come in.
As a what?
30% stake.
But you told that there won't be any authorized capital.
No. This part of, one second. This part, whether you will consolidate or no, the answer lies here. I'm keeping it hanging as a suspense, okay? Right? Yes, sir. Please. Ha. Yes, sir. Ha. It will be reflected in your profit and loss, whatever amount you are writing off, sir. Okay, whatever amount you are writing off. The balance which is unwritten, Tamal sir, will go into your balance sheet as unwritten miscellaneous expenditure.
in the balance sheet of SPV or the balance
It will, the balance sheet of holding company.
So I mean, in either case, whether the SPV kicks off or not, whether
Ha.
the project is successful or not,
Ha.
the preliminary expenses goes into the balance sheet of the
Absolutely. Absolutely. Which is where that clause of 8 years starts applying, sir. Sir, that depends on which project specific are you talking about. If you're looking at infrastructure, they still allow 8 years. They still allow. So we need to make special provisions, right? Please understand, these are colleagues who are coming from that space. There is still special provisions for certain infrastructure companies, anything related to infrastructure. That's why technically, sir, with due respects, today you don't have any pure real estate company, no, sir. All these bigger real estate companies have technically also diversified into infrastructure. Because bank lending for infrastructure also happens cheap. It's a different matter. Once it lands up at that company, where they use it is their call.
In real estate, what are the typical lending rates of a real estate project?
Sir, if you are arranging at 14%, I want to know where it is coming. No, ma'am. Right, I was looking at them.
So P is better than.
We know that bank funding today, don't quote me and I will not give you the name, don't ask me a question. We know that there are some real estate who's taken off money at 2 to 3% per month.
Credit card पे rate होगा.
Right? Unsecured. और वो sustain नहीं कर पा रहा है. That's the reason why they are going at PEVC. PEVC भी गुरु लोग ना, उनको मालूम है इनका अटका पड़ा है. They also twist. Right? Real estate is, it is.
30% हो गया.
who will blink first? Price छोड़ने रहा है, supporting, bank funding to RBI ने, RBI has, sorry but without naming it, RBI has clamped down upon, some of you are smiling. It was a really atrocious scheme, 90-10. What is 90-10? You pay 10%, 90% you will pay on when you get the flat. That when is a big when, but anyway, right? Gone. RBI has come in and said, excuse me, right?
In fact, we launched 28, sir, that was it. Before all this launch, we launched a version this 28 scheme that was simpler than copied as okay. Instead of 28, it was 1090.
RBI says 20% margin has to be paid upfront.
And even banks won't lend you more than 80%.
Real estate currently, why I'm saying it is I'm not trying to, there are some very good players, but please understand this sector. And one more thing RBI has done is increase the risk weight towards such loans, right? Risk weight, which is the killer. Yes, sir.
But that cash component is not in most of the builders. But it is the outgo